How to force bypass the Microsoft account creation during the Windows 11 setup process. Method 1. First things first, press Shift plus F10. Or, if you're on a laptop, it might be Shift plus Fn plus F10. That's going to bring up the command prompt. Now, once the terminal opens, type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open your network settings. Here, right-click and disable all Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections. Once that's done, go back to the terminal. Now type OOBE/bypassnro and press enter. Your PC will restart. At this point, you'll notice an option that says, I don't have internet. Click that, and then choose Continue with limited setup. Method 2. Now let me show you the second method. Again, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. This time, type the following command carefully. Start ms-cxh / localonly. And press enter. When you run this, it opens a window to create a new user for this PC. Yes, it does say Microsoft account, but don't worry, this actually creates a local account. So here, I'll just enter memory as the username. I'm not setting a password, but you can add one if you like. Click next, and that's it. The best part? This skips all those extra setup screens that Microsoft usually makes you go through during onboarding. The only exception is the privacy settings screen. Microsoft is required to show you that. Just disable all the sliders if you want, continue forward, and now you're done. You've successfully bypassed the Microsoft account requirement in Windows 11.